Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how can you see if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So first of all, what you have to do is that you simply have to click on your profile icon present at the top left corner of your screen. Now on this section, you simply have to scroll down to the friends section and click on the option that says my friends. Now on this list, what you have to do is that you simply have to search for that specific friend who you think might have blocked you. So for example, I will search for a friend right now. So now over here as you can see, if no results pop up, that means that that person have blocked you on Snapchat. So by following this video, you can very easily learn how can you see if someone blocked you on Snapchat. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.